Hi, Pranishan here. I am recording this video from Ikea and I'm actually having my ice cream cone here. I'm actually queuing an extremely long queue just so that I can get my ice cream. Right, now here's the interesting part that I want to discuss with you today is that why would people queue for this ice cream? Now of course, they make it very affordable. It's only 90 cents a cone. But you know how much saving you have, 50 cents, 60 cents, but people are queuing like crazy. Now, for me personally, the reason why I'm queuing is because my kids want to eat the ice cream. And they make it a point, if they come to Ikea, they kinda try or taste this ice cream. So we are having this long queue right now. But on the other aspect, right, if you look at the marketing aspect, do all of them have children or their kids asking them to queue for the ice cream? I don't think so. So why are people queuing? So this is a very good marketing strategy that's actually happening without people realizing. It's basically the experience. So when you're doing your marketing, when you're marketing your products or services, sometimes it is about the experience that people get. What is the experience that they get? Sometimes it could be as simple as social proof, and they go back home and say, hey, you know, I've experienced that. I've been through the queue. I've tasted the Ikea 90 cents ice cream. So go back to your marketing mix, look at your product and see whether is there a unique experience that you can provide to your customer, and people want to have that. And sometimes because it's so good that they feel proud of the experience, they will even share it in social media like Instagram, Facebook and so on, right? So there you go for today's marketing lesson.